Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your life. Friends, my today's video is creative, unique, beautiful and stylish in itself, because in this video I'm going to give you creative and amazing ideas of how you can make beautifully dressed your babies, how you can do a very beautiful and classy design ideas of your own baby girl. In other words, I am going to give you some beautiful suggestions that how you are going to become a designer of your own baby, and at the same time your baby would feel comfort, stylish and eye-catchy, so you will be proud of your self-designing. But before going into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, now let's move back towards our main concern, that is how you can design your baby girl dresses. Friends, all of these designs are totally favorable for the whole year designing of your baby girls, independent of the season. You are going to see amazing and creative visuals of beautifully handcrafted, handmade, thread work, hand embroidered designs of baby girls frocks, shirts and tops as well. So friends, you can use the fabric for summers as well, like lawn, linen, organic cotton, and for midsummers you can use cotton satin, you can use light color, you can use trendy as well, and for purely winter touch you can use wool,